Well, what is up? What is up, everybody? I'm back slightly. Computer crash. So sorry about that, but we're getting everything back on track here. Oh man, what a morning! What a morning. I'm back, boys. Sorry about that. Computer crash. It was not Brenda's fault.
Oh, you didn't do it right. You didn't come in with the yer.
I did not. I was stressing trying to get all this stuff fixed here. But we're back.
It was doing weird things with the soundtrack.
You went in and you heard order filled. Let
me get the chats pulled up for the YouTube. What a morning here. Where's it at? Activate selected. All right, so we should be good now. I'm getting ready to pull the charts up as well. Man, look at that dump right there. Is that why it crashed? So that why I wouldn't get into that waterfall right there at market open? Jesus. How's everyone doing this morning?
All right, how are you?
Another day in paradise. Can't complain. BP, what's up? What's up? Sorry, boys.
9 to 5.
The stream did crash. It crashed on Brenda, not me. We don't know what happened, but I got it fixed.
I know it was her fault, but man, the music was doing some weird shit. It was like speeding up and stopping, and it was crazy.
Yeah.
And then it went all low res, like it was like her like picture was there and your charts were there, but it was like melting or something.
I honestly think what it was because the computer wasn't plugged in when I came up here, so I think it was like on like its last little life of battery life.
It probably went into battery saving mode and just started bricking.
So I think that's what it was.
Well, you like to live dangerously. We all know that.
I need to add the music on the other streams. And there's Brenda in the chat. Get out of here. Yeah, one job, baby. All right, we should be good. There we go. All right, let's get refocused. Well, I gotta get refocused on these charts here. Welcome everybody on the YouTube streams. Welcome Legacy Wealth Society. My bad. The computer crashed. I guess it needed to be plugged in to actually continue to work. It's crazy. So far from market open, we had that nice little push down below the pivot. I am waiting the first 15 minutes like usual to execute a trade. So hey, at least we're almost there. Let me doodle on the charts here. It is official, people. The Canada trip is a full go. Everything was booked yesterday.
So they didn't deny your payment this time?
Not for the Canada trip. My bank, I talked to my banker this morning because still was having issues with my bank yesterday. He said they put a thing on the account so nothing should get blocked, but he said try again because that's what he was told. So we're going to see. What's up, Dylan? Welcome everybody. We try to make some money a day. I'm not going to say my exact location when I'm going to Canada, brother. I'm sorry. only because I'm going to see certain members of Legacy Wealth Society. I'm not putting out where they live. If they want to put that out, they can, but I'm not going to put it out.
Just tell everybody it's north of North Dakota. It's somewhere over there.
It is north of North Dakota. We're back in the 6-8. We're back in the 600s. Again, that's kind of crazy. I actually got double checked from last night's stream. There was someone trying to say the market was going to rip off. I'm like, bro, let's get ready. Come on down. We were looking at gold last night. And I got to see. I'm going to check on gold here in a minute to see if we actually came down or not. Oh yeah, gold bear flag drop. For real, BP, because I was watching it. Now I'm gonna have to pull it up real quick. Just because Buddy was like, oh, it's getting ready to go up like a rocket ship. I'm like, bro, that's a massive. Oh yeah, that drop. Yeah, almost back in that same range, but yeah, that massive bear flag that printed from what time was that? 21:25 all the way to 22:30. I saw it printing. I'm like, bro, it's coming down. It's coming down, people. And sure enough, it did. I want to see us get a flaggy flag. I got 5 more minutes, so I can relax now because I was slightly stressed because I had to drop the kids off to school this morning. So me having to do that put everything else for me slightly behind. But I set everything up for Brenda before I left. And then sure enough, I'm watching the stream on my way home. I'm like, why is it breaking up like this? It should not be freezing. But hey, we're live, people. We're live. Welcome for everyone on the YouTube stream. Appreciate y'all tuning in and hang out with us today and make some smonnies. Stay safe in the markets and know this is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only.
So, good morning.
No, there he
Mr.
is.
Carlos, good morning, sir.
Roots.
We just had another bear flag print on the 1 minute chart.
Yo, I missed my drop.
So did I. The whole stream crashed from Brenda this morning.
No.
I wasn't even here for it. You know what I'm saying? So that's the worst part. So right now we're getting this flag, the flaggy flag. Hey, I'm fine with some good old waterfalls today. Let me rotate my accounts real quick to the one I want to trade first. DL, good morning, sir. Good morning. I got 3 more minutes, and this thing's just looking like it wants a waterfall, boys. Hopefully it gives us like the action we got on Friday, because that was some really good price movement on Friday.
Yeah, the one day I wasn't here, and I keep hearing about it.
Let me double check. I think we got news today as well. So be careful because I'm pulling up the news now. Pretty sure we do have news today. Izzy, good morning, brother. Okay, we had 8:30 news today. We had 8:30 news tomorrow. We got 8:30 news as well. So we're done on the news side. Come on, 2 more minutes. Yeah, I knew we had news, BP. I just didn't know what time. That's why I had to check it real quick before I'm like actively trying to trade right at 9:45 or 10 o'clock today. Yeah, I think we hit those highs yesterday, and this is if it does what I think it may want to do, we may be in a bear session today.
Are you gonna go buy that gold jacket for when you go to Canada?
Definitely not. Definitely not.
Come on, when are you gonna truly represent what we stand for?
Izzy, you just passed it. That's awesome, bro. Congrats.
Let's go. Keep going down, baby. Yes. Woo! 23. Let's go.
We do have a pivot point at 583. 583.75 is the pivot. The 15-minute range is not fully completed yet. Seth, what's up, bro?
Hey, I had to get out. Hey, that's 2 bands on my funded.
What? Go ahead, G.
Oh my God.
Good job, bro. Which funded is it? If it's the select account, they have no consistency, so you're good.
Top step.
Top step, okay. What's their consistency for that though?
I think. Hold on.
Remember, lock in your profits. Lock in your profits, boys. I'm officially cleared. I'm officially cleared to trade. 9:45 just hit. I'm going to give it till I'm cleared. So let's see if we keep coming on down. Your boy's going to have to take a strawberry here. That's a joke. That's a joke. We got this pivot point. So at this point for me, I want to jump in and chase it, but when you chase it, that's when you end up pulling back on you. So I'm honestly just going to wait for the next flag and take it. We are currently below the VWAP, below the 21 EMA. We already went through one pivot point that was all the way up above the 700 level. That pivot was up around 709. So I'm looking to see a bear flag get printed to take us lower.
Well, can you give me the lower part of the 15-minute range, please?
Yep. Low side for the 15-minute range is sitting right at 614.75. 614, well, actually 614.25. 614.25.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir. The high of the 15-minute range, just so you can mark your chart, 802.75. 802.75.
Thanks.
And this is why I was not trying to chase it, because that's what I was afraid of. I did not want to just go short because it's coming down for market open for the first 15 minutes and then it pulled back. So glad I stayed out. And we just wait for the flag. That's it.
Yeah, when G said he pulled out, I pulled out too, and so far I'm up 14. I'm happy.
Go ahead, boy. That's awesome. I'm glad to see you guys winning like this. Hopefully I can join y'all today in the winner circle. Trading the Nasdaq. We trade futures over here. Monday through Friday, we trade futures. And every single night, we do the Traders Hangout as well, where we talk about the charts, we talk about life, and everything in between. So make sure you guys lock in, subscribe. Appreciate all you guys tuning in, hanging out with us to make some hopefully good money a day, whatever the market gives us. Is this going to be one big old bear flag on the 1 minute here? Let me switch to the 2 minute. Put a line on the chart here. Gotta get my doodles. Gotta get the doodles. That's looking like it wants to be a little bear flag there, but I'm gonna wait for it to break through the line. Not trying to jump in just to jump in. There we go. I was looking at my trading view chart over here. I'm like, why does it look like that? It was on the 5 minute chart, not the 2 minute, where I like having the 2 minute pulled up on this one. So now I feel better. This could go two ways right now. I feel we're slightly in a predicament, right?
Well, that's very wise of you that it could go two ways, because that's the only ways I know it could go.
You know, like I just speak so much knowledge, right? It could go two ways, up or down.
Yeah,
You know?
thank you.
So I would do, if we break through the bottom yellow line, it's going to be a potential shorting opportunity. If we break through the top yellow line, that's going to be a long opportunity. I'm feeling more like the low side for a bear flag, but I got my lines pulled up just so I have it marked for the eyes.
Duane,
On the 15, it's looking bearish with that bull wick, that wick on top of that bull.
Yeah, I'm looking at it now. You are correct, sir. I do like how that's looking, printing a big old bear flag.
yes sir. You ready for the drop?
We're going to take what it gives us. No rush. Patience, people.
Hey Duane, I checked. It says the consistency target is, I guess, below 50%.
Okay.
Target.
So you can't, so all that means is you can't make all your money, so to speak, all in one day
Okay.
for your profit.
All right.
So since you just put $2,000 in, you're going to need to keep trading until you put like another $2,000 in
Okay.
to get it below 50%. So I would not trade that account anymore today, being real.
No, I'm done. I'm done.
Like, don't trade that account anymore today. Lock in that $2,000 in your funded account, freshly funded account, people. We got people over here winning
Man.
in the Legacy Wealth Society. Just got a brand new funded account, just put $2,000 in it. Love it, love it.
Well,
Ule,
correction, Duane. I had it for a couple days. I had the fund it for a couple days. I just wasn't taking any trades like that.
it's a newly funded account, and he put $2,000 in.
Right.
It doesn't matter if it was you started on Monday. It's a newly funded account, sir. Trying to make some money, Ule. Trying to here. We're going to see what the market gives us.
All right. So now I'm done with the top step. Now I'm going to Lucid
Rotate. That's it. Rotate.
Trader. Go there. Okay. Damn, I thought it was gonna be that bear flag, man. But it went the other way. Started going on the up.
Well, I put the two lines on
Yeah, I see that.
so I can see which
Direction it went to.
exactly, because this right here would be a little bull flag on that 1 minute there.
Yep.
And then thanks to Duane, the market is corralled. It's like stuck in a cage right there.
The market makers, you know what I'm saying? Like, I called them up. I'm like, wherever I put my yellow lines, don't break them.
Like, what are those yellow lines made out of? That's what I want to know.
I think every trader feels that way when they put a line on the chart and everything goes right away from it instantly. It's like, oh, okay. Like right there, we didn't even break through the yellow line, but it's coming back down. You know, gotta love it. Gotta love it, people. Ule, what time is it? Well, for you, it should be what? 9:50 your time? 10 p.m. Okay. Well, good evening, sir. Appreciate you locking in with us. I just have really good playlists on YouTube that I use that aren't copyrighted, so I could play them on stream. I know how to pick them at this point. Breaking through the yellow line right there. I want to get more follow through. I want more follow through. Trying to time it on the Rinkos here. BP, what can I say, man? I know how to pick them. I need quality music when I'm trading and just streaming with y'all because it sets the atmosphere. I'm real big on setting the correct atmosphere for what we're doing. We did not break through the yellow line with momentum, so guess what? I did not take a trade yet. I know it's crazy. If there's no momentum and follow through, you don't take a trade. Is the music too loud for you guys? Or it's good for everyone. Just want to make sure it's not pumping too hard.
No, it's a good mix.
Okay.
Oh, and he just changed the track. He's like, yeah.
Ule saying perfect. If it's perfect for you, my brother, my Indonesian German brother, we're good then. Trying to make some money like G and Jose. Like I want to get in the markets, boys. I want to get in the markets here. But it looks like we're building structure on this bear flag. Oh. And Steve was right. I'm pinning the market. I put the market in a cage right now. It doesn't know what to do.
I'm telling you.
Looking at that 5 minute, if we break through the line on the 5 minute, BP, you're living the dream, man. Living the dream, bro. All right, we're breaking through that line. Barely, though. Barely. I want follow through. Doing some consolidation right here. I'm not trying to jump in on the consolidation part.
Let's go.
Come on, Betsy. You want to drop it.
Oh, it's gonna drop, Duane.
It wants to drop.
It's
Like,
gonna
she
drop.
wants to drop.
Ooh, she's coming. Coming. Come on down, Betsy. Oh, a retrace for the big waterfall. So retrace for the big waterfall. Test. When it's under your thing. Oh, you're
It
in.
is.
That's why you're in. My bad.
I am in.
Let's go. Let's go. Come on down, Betsy. Oh, oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, that's how we do it. That's how we do it. I had to get out. I'm sorry, Duane. I had to get out. Hey, I took my 650. I'm done. I got out. Oh, man. Oh. Duane, you was about to press that close button.
I'm getting ready to right now.
Oh,
I closed. I could have stayed. 790 on the first trade of the day. We'll take that. We broke out of that range right there. I don't want. We always know when we break out the first break, what happens. We normally pull right back in. So I was holding it a little bit longer, but it is what it is. We made some money. We made some money in the first account. We're gonna rotate. We're gonna keep the train rolling for the day, boys. That's all we gotta do every single day. Rotate accounts. And yes, the market's still going down. I am not upset. You wanna know why I'm not upset? Because we can wait for the next move. Profit is profit. If someone walks up to you on the street and says, here's $790, no strings attached, how quick are you gonna lock that money in? That's how you have to view trading. People, for everyone that has a job, right? How long, right? No, let me rephrase this. For people at work, on salary, or everything like that, right? If someone's willing to give you the same amount of money for 8 hours in a couple minutes, you would take that. If your boss came and said, hey, I'm gonna pay you for your whole day in 5 minutes, do you want it? You're gonna say yes. So why can we not take profit? Why can we not take profit in the market when we've already made decent money? Like, it's mind-boggling to me a little bit that a lot of traders in the markets, they try overextending themselves. They don't feel like nothing's good enough. Guys, just made $700 in a click of a button in like 3 minutes, less than that. So my recommendation, never feel like you missed out, because the market did come down a little bit more, but hey, I locked it in. And that's all that matters. That's all that matters. Did our music just in? Did we finish this playlist already?
That can't
Nope.
be.
Neil, what's up, bro? Hopefully you're having a good morning, your time. Brett, you're awesome. I love Brett, bro. My Canadian brother's hilarious. In the chat, he's like, if someone walked to me and gave me $790, I say double it and give it to the next guy. Then I'll run around the block and take the 1580. That's awesome. So right now, we did break out. We're below this pivot point as well. I got my first target. My first target is all the way down there at 494.25. 494.25. Yeah, I appreciate you tuning in while at work. Much respect, bro. Much respect. Looking for another flag. Your boy wants another flag. So I can put some more smoney's in. So question, the flag that we were calling out, did that work for people? Is what we're calling out working for people? Gotta love it. It's funny, my sister, she wants to learn how to trade. So you already know I'm gonna help my big sis out. Bro, I'm glad you finally be your own people, finally watch the strategy video. I do have to do a strategy video 2.0 just to clean up that strategy video because the quality, since it was recorded on Zoom, because that was like a live session, it's not, we need better. So this week I am planning on re-recording that strategy video, and I'll probably do it live with some of the legacy wealth if they want to attend, get some retraining on it, and we'll go from there. Bro, the Renko bars are the hat. Like, too many traders don't use Renko bars because they try using the Renkos by themselves. Bruh, I am well aware. Trust me, Steve already let me know about the typos on the PowerPoint. So we're going to clean it all up, but I had to get it out. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was not pressed about if everything's spelled correctly with periods, exclamation points. I just wanted to get the strategy out to people. Yep. And that's the biggest thing, right? I want this to be so cookie cutter for people where it's a legit plug and play.
Hey Wayne, on Ninja Trader, how do I take off the trades that I've made because it's kind of like messing up?
How do you take them off?
Yeah,
so on yours, is
it
it showing you like the little up arrow or down arrow?
Right.
That's what you're trying to take off?
Yep.
Okay, so all you have to do, one second, I'll do it on the screen actually. I'll do it on this one. So you click properties. Hold on. I may have done that wrong.
I think you can do Control E.
Control E?
I did it before and I was trying to do it yesterday.
No, it's right here. So you click the data series right here where it's showing like the chart. Click there, scroll all the way down, and then you just turn off it putting your trades in. So like mine, plot executions, mine's do not plot. So that's why mine never shows up. So data series, scroll down, under trades, put it to do not plot.
Stand forward, got it off.
Awesome.
And that Control E works as well.
Even better. Even better. Jose, Trade Forex, welcome, sir. Hopefully you're having a safe day in the markets today. Are we getting ready to get a bull flag? We're back in the 15-minute range as well. I want to add some more money. But I'm not trying to be reckless either because right now I'm on my 150K funded account. I'm up $2,000 with only 2 days of trading it. So $1,000 a day keeps the bills away in that one. That's for sure. Look at this momentum trying to go higher. Your boy needs a flag though. I need a flag. So if I was wanting to take along, right? This is just me. I'm not telling y'all how to do this. If it was me, I would personally wait until we get above the VWAP, because right where the VWAP's at, we got a pivot point right there as well. And that's right above the middle of the 15-minute range. So we got a lot going on in that small little area that I would want to wait to see if we either keep pushing and it acts as support, or we reject and take it slower. That's my train of thought. That's my train of thought. But y'all do it as you will. I can't trade for you. I cannot trade for y'all. But I can tell you my opinions. And for all the new people in here, welcome. Man, we got tons of people on the stream. Welcome, everybody. Hopefully you're staying safe in the markets. You're locked in live with the Legacy Wealth Society and myself today. Monday through Friday, 9:20 a.m. Eastern time. We go live with you guys, making money in the markets together as a community. And then every single night, we stream 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. The Traders Hangout, the go-to late night stream to talk about the market, to talk about life, and everything in between. So if that's something you're interested in, you want to just continue to learn and grow with like-minded individuals, definitely lock in. And last little snippet. Now,
boys.
Mitch, what's up, bro? Good morning.
Good morning.
Now for the Legacy Wealth Society, everyone can join for free. You do not get the full strategy. You don't get the live Zoom calls, but you're able to get in and get around like-minded individuals completely for free. So if you want to join, feel free to jump in there. Love to have you. And yeah, Manny, what's up, bro? Welcome. Mitch, how you doing today, brother?
I'm doing well. Just got to my gate at the airport on my way back to Minnesota. Grandparents are hanging in there.
Okay.
So yeah, so far so good. How about you doing?
Man, another day in paradise, Mitch. Another day in paradise. I can't complain. I'm excited to be here today. I love showing up with you guys. You guys are great people. I would not change a thing. I'll say that. I would not change a thing.
Glad to hear that.
Looking like we're getting a bull flag here on the 2-minute chart. Let me drop it down to the 1 minute.
I'm ready for this thing to retrace, man.
Yeah, we got a bull flag on the 1 minute as well. No flag yet on the 5 minute or 15.
Back up to 50K again as of this morning. Had a 1,500 trade back up. So.
Awesome, bro. Congrats.
I just got to keep it.
Listen, but what did I say yesterday? You got to lock in and not even tell yourself, oh, I have to get it back. No, just come in and do base hits every day. And over time, it will continue to grow. And that's it.
You right.
That's why I learned with trading, especially trading with prop firms, everything like that. In order to get the payouts, base hits every single day. If you get a home run, hey, congratulations. Next day, look for the base hit, because the base hits will happen more than the home runs at the end of the day. Moving Mountains, what's up? Welcome back. BP, I did not hear you say you're on the stream. So
Crazy.
Did anyone hear BP come on the stream saying you're?
Nope.
You hear me now?
There we go. You must have been muted, sir.
Oh man, that's weird. I went you're, but I was waiting because I didn't want to interrupt when you were speaking.
It's okay. It's okay.
You did like the pilot, you know, where when they pick it, it's like bing bong. Yeah.
That's actually hilarious.
BP, Brett's saying you're lying because he didn't even hear you, and he hears everything. Okay, Brett hears everything. So you didn't. You're trying to cap right now.
I just think that maybe it just didn't load up properly or something.
Probably. Ladies and gentlemen, just want to appreciate you flying with us today with the Legacy Wealth Society crew. In the back of the plane, we got BP back there handling all your drink, beverages, everything like that. In the front, we got Steve. He's our captain today. He's going to make sure we get to our destination safely of the profits. With that being said, sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. That's all I got for my captain's voice.
That's
BP,
it.
You can do better. You can do better. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, Duane, do you trade gold or no?
He wears it.
I have not been trading gold, but I have been looking at a couple other things that we may possibly start adding into. Just having the charts pulled up to maximize potential opportunities.
Yeah.
Because I called that flag last night and Brett was there. Old boy was like, "Oh, we're gonna rocket ship." I'm like, bro, on the 5-minute and the 15-minute, it's building out this massive bear flag. It's coming down. That's the fake out. It's a fake out. I'm like, okay. The one thing I know about flags, they always repeat themselves.
Yeah.
Like, if it's the fake out, this is an hour and a half build out of this massive flag that will fake the entire market.
Okay, he's gonna go down here, downside again.
I was just gonna say because gold is like pizza moment right now. You know?
What was that?
I said gold's been being pizza. I was like,
Yeah?
damn.
Well, right now I'm hoping this Nasdaq does something because I want to get through the middle of this 15-minute range and above the VWAP. Here comes that middle of the 15-minute range because we got this big old bull flag that's been printing on the 5-minute, the 1-minute, the 2-minute. So
Am I still out on this side, guys? Do I keep my mic on?
we can hear you completely fine. It's up to you if you keep your mic on or turn it off.
I just want to make sure that you can't hear like all the background noise. Like
If it gets too crazy, I'll just go and mute you. That's what I do to everybody. Because some people they'll take a phone call talking about like credit card fraud on their bank card, giving out their numbers like 73245. I'm like, let me mute that. Let's mute that before they're getting a random charge across the globe.
It's gonna be for evals.
About to say, might caught me a Porsche off that.
Listen, I can't even right now, right? If I said my card number out loud to y'all, you wouldn't be able to get anything because it still refuses to let me buy my trip for Mexico next month. So that's only like $3,100. So
I mean, hey, you can still give it to us, and then when it becomes active, well, we might test it out.
You'll let me know if it's working or not.
Yeah, I'll let you know. I'll send you some photos of what I got.
Hey, it's a tax write-off.
We got over 40 people in here. Close to it. What's up, everybody? It keeps fluctuating, but yeah, people keep coming in, going out. We'll take it all day long. Waiting for this market to make the move here. Jordan, what's up, bro? The Great, what's up? What's up, everybody? Hopefully all y'all are staying safe in the markets today. Don't do anything crazy. Have patience. Jordan, that's awesome, bro. Congrats. Happy to see you winning, bro. If you're not already in the Legacy Wealth Society, jump into the community. It's completely free to join. Love to have you in there. It's a great community of like-minded individuals working together to make sure everyone's winning in the markets. So feel free to check us out. We're coming up to the middle of this 15-minute range. I've been waiting for this. I want to get through the middle and above the VWAP in this pivot point to take a long here with momentum. A few ways, Jordan. Nightbot in the chat, a few chats above you posted the link to the community. You can click that link from Nightbot. That'll get you in. And you can join that way, or in the description of the video, or on the main page of the channel. Plenty of ways. You get to decide how you join.
Click them all.
Click them all. Click them all. Just patiently waiting because I want to take it long. I feel like we're going to come back up, but I want to get above the VWAP in the pivot.
I was in that lawn that we just had from the 262, yeah, so from the 569 area. I got in on that. I was really scaled up to where we're at now. But I hopped out a little early because I was like, man, this thing retraces back. I'm cooked, so I didn't have a stop loss. I just quickly dipped in and out, you know? Okay,
question, Mitch. Did you end the trade in green?
Oh, you bet I did. That's why I got out.
Then listen, you didn't miss nothing.
You're right.
Like I'm gonna really nail this home to you guys, right? If you close out in the green, you did not lose anything. You made something. Because I myself, there was a trade I took today, made 790 on it. I could have stayed in a little bit longer, but I'd rather lock the profit in. My analogy is someone walks up to you on the side of the street and hands you $500 and say, hey, here's $500. I think you're doing an amazing job in your life. No strings attached. How quick are you going to take it? Or if your job says that, how quick are you going to take it? Why is it hard for us to close out sometimes when we're in the green in profit? Yes, I get it. We all want more, but we wait for the next move. Lock in the profits, rotate your account so you can truly lock it in, and you will never be disappointed with trading.
I gotta stop being mentally greedy on some of the green that I see.
Listen, Mitch, that's all of us, bro. We all battle that voice in the hell. Oh, just a little bit more. Who's heard that when you're in trade? Just a little bit more, you know, because we battle that, and then we also battle when we're in a negative trade. I'm like, I don't want to close out because it's going to go back up. No, just close it out, limit your loss so you can re-enter. Moving Mountains, are you my boy? Are you my brother from the UK? I feel like you are. Let me know if I'm right or wrong.
The UK have mountains.
Listen, we're worldwide. We got people everywhere. I don't know why you're laughing, Thomas. You're the pilot.
It just, as soon as you said that, it just reminded me of that one lyric where he goes, Mr. Worldwide.
I may have to do that for the intro for tomorrow.
I mean, you people could be cousins.
How do you draw your flags? As how you anchor the starting point. Very, very simple. I'll show you. Glad you asked. So this is the 2-minute chart currently pulled up. I take the yellow line. I'm like, if the flag for a bull flag, what direction does the flag need to be in? Like this. So I would take the highest point for the pole, but this is my thing. You gotta have a nice pole. You gotta have a nice pole. If you don't have a good pole, don't even waste your time drawing. Just saying. So this was a bull flag right here, and it came up. But if we switch over to the 5-minute, we had a small bull flag right there as well. So for me personally, I do bull flags, bear flags with momentum. That's it. If there's no momentum, there's no trade. I don't care if there's a flag. If we get the flag with no momentum, there's no trade. Click that in your mind. No momentum, no trade. If you live by that, you will maximize your results. I was getting ready to say guarantee, but no, you'll maximize your results.
And you'll avoid going to Chop City.
And you definitely avoid going to Chop City. Here's that VWAP tap right there. Jordan, discipline is key, bro. That's the hardest part about trading. Trading is 95% mental, 5% clicking a button. And once you realize that, you'll win at trading. Because it's up here. The battle's up here for trading. It's all up here. Once you win in this, you'll win when clicking the button. What's up, YouTube? How we doing? You're tuned in with the Legacy Wealth Society today. We do this every single day of the week. So hopefully you guys are staying safe in the markets. And I'm excited to see all you guys win. Scan. We're trading the Nasdaq, bro. We're putting lightning in a bottle. Putting lightning in a bottle, my brother. Currently up for the day, waiting to execute another trade once we have a move. No move. Guess what? No trade. Man, this is mind-blowing. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just a wild man. Just a wild man. What can I say? So we still have not gotten above the VWAP. So that's what I'm currently waiting for. Brett sent you. Well, if Brett sent you, you're officially my second Canadian brother. Because Brett's the man. Brett's the man. I'm gonna be visiting Brett in like less than 2 weeks. Less than 2 weeks. I trade on Ninja Trader. That's the one I execute my trades on. I also trade on Tradeovate when I'm traveling. And I trade with prop firms. Whoever just said, what prop firms do you recommend? I got you. Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, and Lucid Trading. Just waiting for something to happen here. I need a move. I need momentum. Brad, just so you know, since Brett sent you, he's going to try getting you into the community. So be ready for that. Thoughts on my funded futures? No real thoughts. I've never traded with them, Manny. So honestly, I have nothing good or bad to say about them because I've never looked into them, to be real. Jordan, to be honest with you, brother, I will recommend you trading with Tradeify, not because I'm affiliated with them, but it's a 90-10 split with Tradeify, where with Take Profit, it's a 80-20. So you get an extra 10%. And that adds up if you're taking consistent payouts. Just saying. Just saying. I have traded with Apex. I do not trade with them anymore because there's better firms out there. The only good thing that Apex does have is you can have 20 funded accounts. $25,900 scan. You never know. We're back in the 600s though. Like, we need to push out. There's the 700. Like, I want to get above. Well, there's above the VWAP. We push through that pivot as well.
Look at that.
That's what we've been waiting for. I want to stay above that pivot to take us higher. Have a good day, Dylan. Talk to you later, brother. We just gotta see if we're gonna reject or continue. We just gotta check.
I just continued back up where we were at yesterday.
I was mad yesterday because last night I looked at the markets. The market went stupid at around like noon yesterday.
I just dropped.
And we would have made so much money. I was like, that's straight craziness.
I hopped on last night for the Asian session. I was like, man, this thing's gonna go right back down. There's not much volatility during that market.
Yeah.
And I just slowly watched it. I was like, let me get in. Did exactly what I thought I was gonna do, but I was busy packing, so I ended up not doing anything. I was like, dang, dude.
Yeah, I don't trade those overnight sessions, but I called out a bear flag last night when people in the chat were like, no, it's going long, it's going to rocket ship. I'm like, bro, no, it's not. Like, my strategy is so simple: bear flags, bull flags, momentum. We watched the bear flag print for like almost an hour, a massive one. I'm like, there's no possible way this is rocket shipping. Like, no possible way. Dylan, hopefully you're making money today in the markets as well. Good day to you as well, sir. No, I'm not kicking you out. I will never kick Dylan out. Brett, send him to the VIP room. That's a joke. Brett, do not send Dylan to the VIP room. Yeah, we love day trading, gentlemen. We love this. Hey, Scan, if we do, we're here for it. We just got to get the move. You know what I'm saying? We got to get the move for me to want to jump in. We're currently sitting in the middle of the 15-minute range. We do not diddle in the middle, people. There's no reason to be jumping in the middle of the 15-minute range. I say these things because I've been trading for a little bit. I put my strategy together based off the things that I learned actually trading in the market. Yeah, I looked, whenever we're in the middle of the 15-minute range going sideways close to it, it chops. So why get in the trade in an area that we know it chops in a lot? No ICT. This is not ICT. This is better. We do use the OR part of our strategy, but that's just on the back end. It's just like we have it there just to see the range. Like, we're not looking for the breaks, technically. We're just honestly looking for our flag. Bull flag, bear flag, momentum. Man, I can do this all day, people.
You know what? Now that I actually do look about it, it looks like that 15-minute orb load did get swept out. I was testing the premium.
You're kind of low today, bro. Your mic's sounding kind of low.
Yeah, turn it up a notch.
Who's whispering?
Just don't want to turn it up too loud. Let me go.
We need to come over like the captain. Ding. Wait, before you say anything, tell me when you're ready to say something. I'm gonna prime it for you. Are you ready, Thomas?
Yeah.
Ding.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to today's stream, where we are all going to be making a band of smoney, man. I don't know what else to say to you, but this is your captain, and stay tuned for the best stream on YouTube.
Well, I appreciate that. That was from our captain there.
Hey, there's room for improvement.
Listen, that's the first time being put on the spot like that. So
That was good.
yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, you can do that every morning at 9:29.
Don't be late.
We won't get BP at 9:29. He's normally rolling out of bed right then. You know, he's rolling out of bed at like 9:29. Like, I'll jump in like in 15 minutes. I'll see what the boys are doing, what they're talking about. So we're still staying below the VWAP right now. So I'll be waiting. If we lose this 21 EMA, I may start looking for a short.
This is looking like yesterday's flying.
A scan, of course you can ask me something. That's the whole reason for having a chat, sir.
Also, did my mic get louder?
When you first came on, I felt like you leaned into it a little bit, and
Eat the mic.
it was really good.
Yeah, I I definitely do like step pretty far back.
Yeah, no, it's okay. You just need to come over like the captain.
Hey, don't get stage fright now.
Dylan, take your time, bro. Like, I understand when you have to do the mental reset. You know what I'm saying? I get that. 100%.
Ooh.
Hey, Duane, I gotta go. I have some clients. Listen, Saturday, because I'm not gonna be on tomorrow. At your house?
Yeah.
All right, sounds good. Guys, have a good day.
Yeah,
Okay,
later,
bro.
Moose.
Take care.
You too, Moose.
Appreciate you.
Stay up.
All right, peace. Thank you.
Come on, markets. Waiting here. We did lose that 21 EMA. I want to push away from this middle of this range. Just be a little bit more safe for a potential short. Wanted to see us build out a little bear flag to take us lower. Jordan, I do not copy trade. I rotate my accounts. I have 7 funded accounts that I rotate. I take normally 1 trade per account per day when the markets are moving well. If they're not moving well, I'll trade like 2 funded accounts and then switch over to some evals. Scan, that would be awesome. If you crack the code for yourself, that's great, man. Like, this momentum makes me want to take a short.
Should have been in on that from the top. That was legendary, but hey, it's all good.
But we didn't get a flag. So that's why I'm not like upset that I didn't take the short, because I want to stay true to the flag.
Stay true to the flag.
Be true to your school.
Because on one of my accounts, I only need to trade for 3 more days. And I take a payout on that. I'm trying to put 10 grand in it so I can take the max payout of 5 grand on it. I feel that, Jordan. You didn't have your signals. I didn't have my flag. So we patiently
No
wait.
momentum, no flags, no trade.
Yep.
I ain't gonna lie, look at that drop though. Damn.
Oh, trust it, G. I see it. I see it, bro.
But it's no flag.
I'm
no
looking at like
flag.
$1,000-something right there.
So Duane, so what do you say? Okay, when the flags and the stuff don't print, but you still see us, you know, it going down like that. Like,
Take it at your own risk, right? Take it at your own risk. Like, I myself, I would sometimes scalp that.
Right.
But I'm trying this year to be very disciplined.
Yep.
Into the strategy, because the strategy simply worked. Because before, I probably would have just taken the short right there. No flag needed. But I'm really trying to stay disciplined this year.
Okay.
That's all. Because you gotta think, right? You're trading in funded accounts. So you have to protect your capital in that funded account. So how do we do that? By not taking just any trade. That's how we protect it.
Protect your keep.
Kevin, what's up, Kevin? Right now, we're simply waiting for a bear flag to print. Let me draw it here. We got the poll. And then we wait for us to break the bottom yellow line for a short. We look at this 1 minute. Doing some slight consolidation right here in this area. So No reason to just jump in and jump in. Patience, people, patience. Patience gets the payouts.
He has it sitting on the VWAP right now.
Okay. Jordan, I appreciate that. We definitely gonna do it, bro. Look at that buying wick on the 5 minute. We got that big long wick, that nasty wick, for those that know, on that candle.
Yeah, it looks like it might be delivering from like that 5 minute fair value gap to the left.
Ule, I'm glad you feel the music getting better and better, brother. Listen, all I'm trying to do is give you guys a great environment to trade in. That's all. You know, I gotta switch the vibe. So these morning streams, we have a different vibe than our hangout stream. The hangout stream is more faster paced. You know, we got actual lyrics. The morning, calm, collected, and smooth.
Some of my people.
Oh man, we're like right in this area where it's like I want to get above the VWAP for long. Yeah, at this point I want to just keep coming down if I want to take it short. Because look at this line I put on the 5 minute earlier, right? But the flag portion wasn't down here for a bull flag. That's why I wasn't looking for the upward momentum there. Coming to the middle of that 15-minute range. We're right below it right now. I want to get above that VWAP, above that pivot, to make me want to see if we get some support up there to take us higher. That's all your boy's been waiting for. I already took it short. Now, waiting for the long here. We go either way, long or short. We do not care. We print money both ways with the strategy. And for all the new traders in here, listen. Keep your strategy simple. Do not overcomplicate it. Because the moment you overcomplicate it, you're not going to get the results you want. Trust me.
Wait.
Yeah.
The orb, the 15 orb, it's on the 800, right?
Yep.
The top of the ring. 6 minutes.
Let me pull it up here 1 second. I'll call it out. Yeah, so the top of the 15-minute range, sitting like right at, it's like,
like 800, 802.
I got it at 803.25 for the most part.
Okay.
That's the ballpark. Low of the 15-minute range is 596.75 area. Well, actually 597.25 on the money. 597.25 for the low side. Jordan, have a good day, brother. Kevin, the only way to follow my strategies, you tune into these live streams to learn it that way, or you could join the Legacy Wealth Society, not the free side. You have to do at least the builders package, and that gets you my full strategy. But you could join the community under the free side and get the community discussion in our motivational page as well for free.
That is pretty motivating.
Listen, I got options for everybody because I've heard some of the people on my traders hangouts like, hey, I just don't have the money to be able to pay to get. I'm like, hey, I heard that, and I came up with a solution. They could get into the community completely for free, and they could learn from the community discussion and get motivated about trading in the motivation page. And when they're ready to step up to the next one, they can.
That fly was printing me out.
You know what's one thing I was thinking about that would be cool, Duane?
Yeah.
Is if you know how like on the news, they have like the that little icon that basically like cycles and it shows like different information.
Mm-hmm.
I was thinking that it would be cool to get like a GIF that does that, and you could like have it on your stream, and it just basically just cycles through different stuff. Like you could basically have it say like join Legacy for free. It could like cycle up to like different things as well.
I like that. BP always dropping the good little tips. You know what I'm saying?
He wants to have a crawling like title underneath, man.
Shout out to you, BP.
I was just thinking about how like at the top.
Good night, brother. Yeah, I'll look into that today because I can already have like text like scrolling on the screen. But for me, I don't like how it really looks. I can change the colors and stuff, but I can't have it scrolling that way.
Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, because I was thinking where you have like your Tradeify and then code LWS, that basically that whole area could like cycle and just show different info.
Well, I'm gonna look into that today after the stream. You be giving me some good ideas. Shout out to BP, my technology ace. You know what I'm saying? He's trying to help his boy level up the streams each and every day. Gob, do you really make money trading? Sir, I would not be trading live if I wasn't making money, sir. Yes, I do make money. My community prints money as well. And that's why we're always excited to come back each and every day. Even if we have a losing day, we're excited to come back the next day and trade because we know what opportunities we have in front of us. So like today, Gob, not my biggest day. Only made 790 so far for the day. And I only took one trade. Waiting for the next move.
It's under the VWAP, right?
We're still under the VWAP. We have not fully gotten above that VWAP yet. So
yeah, I know. Which is gonna do it though. But I will just win. Maybe 11 o'clock, 11:30.
I don't know. I may stay on a little bit later. 790 is crazy.
Oh
Gob, I'm glad you feel like that's crazy. I have a saying on these streams: $1,000 a day keeps the bills away.
Keep the bills away.
Because my goal each and every day is to make 1,000 or more to keep the bills away. No one likes those pesky bills. You know what I'm saying? No one likes those.
What's the consistency for the Tradeify?
On their new select accounts, there's no consistency.
Oh.
That's why I was asking, like, what account did you get? Because if it was the select account, you don't have to worry about consistency anymore.
I know now.
I need to get one of those.
Which account was that?
The select account with Tradeify. So they have consistency in the eval phase, but once you're in your funded, there's no consistency.
Well, that means full port.
No, that does not mean full port.
Wait,
Wait, that's not charging?
the long arm of the law.
No, I'm looking at this camera. It normally charges. When plugged in, it's not charging right now. That's weird. We'll see what happens. I may have to. Ooh, I don't like that.
Are you sure it's plugged in? Like the charger part is plugged in?
I'm using it as the webcam, so I plugged it into my computer.
Oh, okay.
How fast does it really take to make money for a total beginner? Carmona, are you in here still?
I'm here.
Carmona, how long have you been trading for?
About a month, a little more.
Has it already been a month for you? Jesus. Felt like it was less than that.
Yeah, I got in. I got in December 6th or something
Okay.
like that.
Yeah,
So,
about a
Gob,
month today. A
you
month
can literally
today.
learn this within a month to change your life. And you can literally tune into these live streams, learn this way, or you could join the Legacy Wealth Society for free, or you could do one of the paid packages that will fast track you to getting the results that you want. And that's up to you. I have options for everyone. I got free, I got paid, which gives you my personal strategy that I use every day. Oh, and that gives you a call a month in a group setting, and then higher tiers than that. But trading is the best thing anyone could ever do for themselves. Like, this is what I'm gonna be doing for the rest of my life. Brent, yes, I got tons of plans today. I got to run to the Sam's. I gotta buy some stuff. Hopefully my card works there. it will. But that I got family coming over tomorrow because I did not celebrate Christmas with my local family here. So they're coming over tomorrow. We're going to do a little late Christmas because I was up north for Christmas. I decided to have a white Christmas this year. You know, like, we're in Florida. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to see some snow for Christmas. So we had white Christmas. Perks of trading. You know what I'm saying? You could go where you want, when you want, wherever you want, and still earn. That's the best part about this. What indicators is best? Your personal thought. Honestly, I only use 4 indicators, and one's not even a real indicator. But we do have this bear flag printing. We had a small one print on this 2-minute, so I am watching that as well. So in a minute or two, I'll pull up my indicators I have. Yeah, I'll call them out to you so you can know what I'm using. But always have the pivot points indicator on your screen. That's very helpful to know support and resistance areas. Always have the VWAP. Have the VWAP on your charts as well. Most traders use that. I also have the 21 EMA on mine. Some people use the 9 EMA. Some people use the 21. Use whichever one you personally want to use. There's no right or wrong answer for that. And then my last indicator that I have is the Lux Alga Orban targets. That's just showing me the first 15-minute range of each trading session.
So
were you already well off before trading the wave? I own multiple businesses offline. And one of my largest company I've had now for almost a decade. So when I started learning how to trade, I was looking for something that did not require customers, employees, or any type of client whatsoever. And I did not want to sell a product or service. So I spent many years trying to figure out what can I do that did not require other people to earn money. And then trading came, and I've been doing this ever since. And mind you, I have not been trading for a very long time. I put my strategy together back in 2024 August, perfected it all the way through that same year, December, and 2025 was my first full year of trading every day in the market. Gobs, I would recommend you not to invest your own personal money. I would show you how to trade with prop firms. So that way you can only pay $100 and actually make money on that. Waiting for the short here because I feel a short coming on.
Order.
No order filled yet.
Order fail.
I want to see more momentum here.
Order fail.
I'm ready to click the button, but we need more momentum.
Order fail. Shit, on my sim, so I jumped in at 631.
Oh, get that money, G. Get that money, bro.
That's 10. That's 10 points right there. Woo! 35.
Yeah, prop firms are the best way to go, as long as you have a simple strategy that actually produces.
Damn, I boy.
Gobs, technically, yes, you can start at 0. You could join the Legacy Wealth Society completely for free and start that way. And then you put some money together for $100. Then you could get your first prop account. And then I'll show you how to flip that $100 into $3,500 or more.
Oh,
Mello, you always come in here talking about my head. Do you have a small head, bro? Let's see if we start building a little bear flag here on the 5 minute. Because I've been waiting for actual flag to start getting printed. You know what I'm saying? Because just because we're going down slightly doesn't mean, oh, go short, go short. Let's get a flag. Your boy needs a flag. And the push up on this previous one, the 2 minute here, invalidated the flag I originally put on the chart. So that's why I didn't want to just go short to go short. We did just get a flag on the 1 minute chart. No, I knew it had to be something, bro. I knew, because you always come in and talk about my head. It's because you're dealing with your own head problem. I feel you, bro. It's called life. We're all dealing with something. We're all dealing with something. Gobs, looking forward to it, bro. Come on, Betsy. What are you trying to do? If you ask my girl, she'll say I have selective memory. But I'm trying my best to remember all you guys in the chats, everything like that, because you guys do keep coming back. I want to have some type of relationship with y'all that are coming in here. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what will keep you coming back at the end of the day. Actually knowing that the person on the other side of the camera remembers you and wants to see you win. Because I want to see all you guys win at the end of the day. Because y'all win does not mean that I'm going to be losing. That's the best thing about trading. You can support and motivate other people to win, and it does not affect your own personal money. Let's see if we get this bear flag on the 5 minute here. Just waiting for this flag. Mind you, we got 2 minutes. 2 minutes for 11 o'clock as well, so be careful. We may be hanging on this stream a little bit longer just in case the market wants to do something closer to like 11:30ish or after, like yesterday. Because the market was moving after we got off stream. I'm like, man, I could have bought 10 Ferraris with that. But I wasn't here for it. So we're going to stay a little bit longer today to see what we get. For all the new people jumping in here tonight, we got the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're going to talk about the charts. We're going to talk about life and everything in between. So come vibe with us. Let's connect. I promise you will not be disappointed.
Wait, you see that?
I see it. I'm still waiting for a flag. That's the whole thing. Like, I see it.
Talk about momentum.
Oh. Yo, that is... How much point is that?
This is great. It depends on the momentum. I'm not looking for a specific point, so I'm not looking for 10 points, not looking for 2 points.
No.
I'm in the trade until I see the momentum die down.
You better.
So if the momentum dies down, I close. I don't care how many points it's at.
Watch Duane just be secretly trading the whole entire time, just thinking, but we can't see it.
What was that?
I said, watch Duane just be secretly trading the whole entire time, these ranges, and we just can't see it.
That'd be crazy. Definitely not. You'll hear me clicking the button. You'll hear that. I'm sorry this isn't like super tons of trades a day. I'm just taking my time.
No, I'll just give you guys that. That's funny.
Because we're going sideways close to the middle of this 15-minute range, boys. I'm not trying to get chopped up. Motor City, if that's what you like, that's what you like, bro. Trading's personal. Do what you like. Whatever works for you, keep on doing it. Right now, I can't switch the chart because I'm eyes on the Nasdaq right now, brother. Looking for my next move here. I'm trying to put some more money in my account. I only made it a 790 so far. Yeah, I feel like I need a little bit more a day. Hopefully all you guys are staying safe in the markets. If you haven't taken a trade, congratulations. You're winning already today. You do not need to take every single little up and down move. Motor City, that's awesome. Congrats, bro. Love to see y'all winning. I still want to get above that VWAP. So I'm putting this here, but I still want to get above the VWAP. Because I'm not trusting the markets up here. Where we're currently sitting, I'm not trusting it. Come on, Betsy, show us something. I want to trade this 150K funded account with Tradeify here. Throw some more money in it. But we got to get the move. We got to get the move. Patience is key. Patience is key. Legacy, how we feeling, boys? How we feeling? You guys good?
Yeah, doing pretty good.
Feeling good, feeling great.
Well, if y'all good, I'm good. That's all that matters. If y'all good, I'm good.
I still got my Tradeify and my Take Profit funded that I still ain't touched.
We only need 3 more people in here, and we'll be at 40 people watching the stream currently. That's crazy. Love it. Hey, welcome everybody.
Duane.
Yeah.
No, I'm just saying, keep it up, man. Like, the consistency, with the, keep going live on YouTube and everything. Like, literally, if you keep this up, I want to say like, 10. Or probably by the summer, you should already be at 5,000 subscribers on your
You
team.
think so?
Yeah.
This week we'll be at 1,000. So you say by the summer we'll be at like 5?
5,
Believe.
6,
5, 6 a week, sucker.
6,000.
I told you this is the ticket. That's what he's trying to say.
Listen, question, Carmona, G. Well, Carmona knows me. He's been around me for a very, very long time, right? Question, have I always been consistent with what I do?
What about Steve? Does Steve get a vote in this?
I knew that was coming.
Listen,
Steve, you do, but Carmona, he's worked for me with one of my businesses.
You've been consistent with all your businesses. Yeah, you've been pretty consistent. That's why I'm still by your side.
Like, that's the one thing that makes me different, right? Everyone's like, how do you become successful? How like, what's the secret sauce? There's no secret sauce. You gotta stay consistent. It does not matter. If you're not getting the results right away, stay consistent. That's all we have to do. But most people, they're not consistent enough to see the results. So like for me, with the strategy I put together, I was able to learn that and put it together because why? I was consistently on the charge, trying to figure out how to make it work. And that's how I built my system. Trial by fire. And watching the charts every single day for the New York session. Consistency is the secret sauce to everything in your life. If you're trying to get a better body, get jacked, get cut, whatever, what do you have to do? You have to stay consistently in the gym and consistently eating right. If you don't, you're not getting the results. And that's all this is. Like, for me personally, I love doing this. I love streaming with you guys. And that's why I'm always so excited every single stream, because I truly enjoy this. Like, if I did not enjoy this, I would not be streaming the way I stream. Just saying. But don't worry, your boy's not changing. I'm staying super consistent. Why? Because I'm trying to make the YouTube, I want to be the largest trader globally. Yes, I said globally. Not because I make the most in profits, but because I help so many people win. That's my goal, to be the biggest trader, not for all the profits, but because of all the profits I help other people make. And then on the legacy side, I'm pushing to get 10,000 members in there by the end of this year. Why? Because that's 10,000 people that I'll be able to help win in life and in the markets. That's why I'm so dedicated to this. Like, I truly want to see everyone else win. Because I understand when you're not winning how life feels. I understand that. Because yes, I had businesses offline, but before I had businesses, I had JOB. You know what I'm saying? So I understand the struggle. So I'm trying to show people an easier solution to fix their life problems. And 90% of life problems are financial. Just saying. Welcome, everybody. Sorry, your boy's preaching today. We're after 11 o'clock. After 11, your boy starts preaching. Your boy starts preaching.
I have noticed that.
Yeah, after 11, that's when I start preaching. You know what I'm saying? Because we're waiting for the move to happen. Carmona, you're funny, bro. Big Trust, what's up, bro? Welcome. Still waiting for this move.
You're up 1409 on the day.
You're up 14 what?
Oh no, I'm probably 409.
In your funded account, you're up 1,400?
No, I was lower yesterday, so I just bounced back up. So right now I'm positive 500.
Listen, you're winning, bro.
Okay.
You're winning. And it's okay. Don't even think about payouts this week. Think about payouts next week. That's why I told myself, that's why I'm more relaxed now, right? Because me and BP, we got this massive goal. We're trying to get 500 grand a piece from the markets in payouts this year from prop firms. And that pressure, I was feeling that pressure. I'm like, man, why do I feel pressure when normally I never feel pressure trading? I realized it's because I have a big goal. I told myself, if it takes me 2 weeks to make 10 grand, it is what it is. I don't care. As long as we're moving in the right direction, that's all that matters. Nice, Big Trust. That's awesome, bro. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of Apex personally because for a brand new trader, they're going to blow a lot of evals with Apex because of the rules. Even in the funded, they still have a lot of rules. That's why I recommend other firms outside of Apex, only because I truly want to see people actually get payouts. Coming back down to my yellow line here, but I'm honestly, we're in this tight little chop zone. So
Yeah, it's going to the bottom of the board, bottom of the 15. Almost there.
we need to keep on dropping and get there though.
Mm-hmm.
Because that's at 597.75 area. 597.25 to be exact.
So far in January, it's been so choppy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it has been. I know, Big Trust. My issue with Apex is, like, for me personally, I'm willing to lose like a grand per trade, right? And with that being said, with Apex, in your funded account, you're still capped. Like, starting off, if it's a brand new funded account, you can't lose more than like $750 on a trade.
What?
But the way I trade, sometimes I need that extra like $250 worth of room because we're going to bounce or something like that. You feel me? So that's why I don't trade them, because I'm not trying to feel handcuffed. Yeah, we're straight chopping right now. We're going to stay on stream probably till like well after 11:30 today, just to see if the market starts to move. Because if we get some solid momentum, your boy's going to take it. No, I know, bro. The only thing Apex has, like, positive, they'll allow you to trade 20 contracts. I'm gonna have to, yeah, that camera's getting ready to die. Let me go get the battery for it real quick. Be right back, boys. Be right back. The camera's getting ready to get shut off for a minute or two. I gotta swap this out here. Hopefully the market doesn't do anything good while I'm trying to fix this real quick.
Hello?
Just chopping.
Okay.
Well, now it's just back
we're getting
where
some
it was.
momentum
but-
slightly.
feel like for the month of January, the first 15 minutes is the one you want to trade in, but don't tell Dwayne that. Oh, there he goes.
I've been right here the whole time, so I've been right here the whole time. Like, come on now. Trying to fix this camera. Alrighty.
Down.
All right, market makers, now you can do it. I'm back, so we can do it now.
Take it.
We gotta get some momentum. That's my only thing right now. Like, want some clean, clear momentum. Potentially, we'll probably break out to the low side here. Potentially. Because the middle of this 15-minute range has been rejecting up there somewhat. So we're going to wait and see. I'm willing to say till 12 to see if the move happens, because the move is going to happen. I want to make money on it. Just saying. Maybe I should remove my bottom yellow line so the market will start to come down.
You gotta remove the resistance.
My bad, people. I'll bring it down here. So now we should start coming down.
Yeah. You put it where you want it to go. Like a magnet.
Pretty much. Listen, when this breaks, it's going to be a quick swipe. Like, tempting to jump in right there.
We are 25 points away from the bottom of the world. Oh, shoot. There it goes. See? Magnet effect.
Oh, it's... Well, you jumped in.
I did.
That thing was going down, man. No, I trust me. I don't blame you.
I'll close this in a second if it doesn't continue down. Yeah, I'm probably going to kill this one here in a second. Don't like how it just did that little pop on the Rinkos.
If it gets, yeah. I wonder if it's going to touch that second pivot on the bottom with that 583.
Let's see. Come on, Betsy. Yeah, no. I'm gonna kill this one. We just have that 21. Let's see if we reject off of it. If not, I'm closing. Yeah, I closed. I killed that. How many contracts? That was 3 contracts. 3 contracts. Whenever you approve my message, I can send you examples of indicators once you see no brainer. I was going, that was a strict just off the not flag, the momentum. I thought we were getting ready to have a little push, but in the chop. So I'm gonna wait because it's 11:21. Hopefully you get one more move by at least 12 here, by at least 12. Because I jumped in on the push down. So I was expecting, because we had the 2 top wicks, for us to continue. Did we just finish that one? Oh, no.
Right now, I mean, the market right now, it's like, man, I'm like on a bear market right now.
We're going sideways still. We're still going sideways. I tried taking a stab at it, didn't go my way, but we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait to see what we get here within the next like 40 minutes, because I'm willing to stay till about 12 just to see if we get the move. What's been happening the past 2 days? We've been getting big moves after like 11:30. Are we up or down? In this account, I'm down. See you later, Brett. See you tonight, brother. This account, I'm red. My other account, I'm green in. I rotate multiple funded accounts. And that's my way of always being able to make money each day. Even if I do have a red trade on an account, I'm green somewhere else. You want some crazy stats, right? Let me know, bro. Let me hear the stats, fam. Still waiting, Big Trust. What's the stat, fam? All right, so we got this selling pressure. if the Bears get through the line, I'll probably take another stab. Possibly. I'm just looking at this. We gotta get through that 610 area. Oh. That's the area I want to see get below here. Breaking through my line on the 5-minute chart there. No, 100%, bro. Listen, at 10 grand a week, that puts you over 500K a year. Just from trading with prop firms. Big Trust, I am working on the scaling, bro. That's all we're trying to do over here. Like, I'm literally rotating all my 50K fundeds. I'm gonna be switching them over to 150K just so I could make more. That we definitely can. Just rotate off of that account for right now until we see a move. We need to get below 610. 610. We keep getting bought back up. So I want to get below 610 right now if we were trying to take a short. Have a good night, brother. Enjoy your dinner. John, that was 2,500, give or take. I trade multiple funded accounts and I rotate through them. So when the markets are moving slow like this, I'll trade like only 2 fundeds, and then I'll rotate over to like 150K evals. Coming up on 11:30. We got a minute left for 11:30 here. Then hopefully after 11:30 we start seeing some actual action. Let's see if we get below 610. 610 is the number I want to get below here. Mm, 15. All right, coming down to the 610. Let's clear. I want to clear that 610 wick. All right, we cleared it briefly there. Okay, Anthony.
Yo.
You're?
Yep.
Are we going to try breaking out here? The only thing with our breakouts, if we try breaking out of the 15-minute range here, we have a pivot point. Let me see what level that's on. We got a pivot point at 583.75. 583.75. Right below that range. So that would be the only thing. I was like, you take it short, but then we hit that pivot and we possibly pop right back up. Slightly dangerous. Slightly dangerous.
Well,
Was that BP?
I'm just officially frustrated with myself because I don't know why I'm being so emotional today.
What happened? You took a trade?
No. I wanted to say something whenever you were in your setup to just hold through it because I had a setup here, but I didn't believe in it, and I don't know why I didn't. I just should have went with what I normally do.
Listen, I would have been in the green right now. BP. No, I'm playing.
I'm sorry, man. Yeah, I just didn't have the confidence today. I don't know why. I took one trade earlier on gold and it worked out perfectly. I just don't know why I'm being this way. I just don't want to bust an account on my first one on Lucid. I don't know why. It's just,
no, 100%. You're trying to protect capital, bro. That's understandable.
I know, I was legitimately just gonna risk like $200 on this trade, and it would have hit TP for 800.
Yeah. Like right now, we're chopping. So until we, honestly, at the low of this range, we gotta break out of it because we got a lot of buying pressure down here. But the buying pressure stops closer to the middle of the 15-minute range. So that's what we're currently dealing with. And I'm trying to wait till closer to 12 because the past couple days, right after we got off stream, the market will go crazy. Anthony, we love trading on easy mode. The way I currently trade is on easy mode. Because if I would, like BP said, just held a little bit longer, I would still be in the... I would at least been break even or in the green.
No. It's...
BP, don't even, bro. Like, just, we're waiting.
Sounds like BP is hard on himself.
That's every trader, though. We're always hard on ourselves. But there's no reason to be hard on yourself because if you're not in a trade, you did nothing wrong. And say you see a move, you don't take it, and then it plays out the way you thought it was, that should give you confidence for the next time you see it.
now.
That's all it does
I
for
do
me.
agree.
It gives me more confidence for the next one because it lets me know I was right. Because we're literally chopping on the low side of this range right now. But this is all consolidation. So we know the move happens after consolidation. All right, we're getting ready to break out. Honestly, for me, I want to get below the pivot. Below the pivot. Last time we tapped the pivot, we bought right back up. Pivot 583.75, 583.75. So I want to clear that 583.75. And I'll feel a little bit more comfortable. The boy wants to feel comfy. All right, just broke out of the range right there. Back in the range. Here comes the pivot. Almost tapped it. Or we may have, like, barely. Let me see. It looks like we tapped it. I want to get through the pivot, through the pivot. Where my first target would be if we get below the pivot. 495 area, 494.25 will be the first target if we get through the pivot. Still waiting here. The market's prime for a move. It's prime. We've been consolidating most of the session today. Have a good one, Anthony. Right back into the Chop City. Anywhere 610 or above is Chop City.
So Duane, I've downloaded NinjaTrader on my phone, and I noticed that none of my funded accounts show up on my phone, but my personal own money account shows up on my phone. and that you know how on Tradeovate you could click on the screen and you could set
Yeah.
up a buy or sell.
Mhm.
Well, Ninja Trader on the cell phone allows you to do the same thing, but only with your own money.
Okay. Yeah, it must not have the other connections on the phone. Because on Ninja on the computer, you have the connections for like Tradeify or Take Profit or Lucid. So like right now on my screen, I have Lucid and Tradeify active. So on the phone, you may not be able to like switch what you're connected to.
Right. So in the mornings I set up my computer with the Tradeovate and Ninja Trader, and I also look at the Ninja Trader on my phone to trade my own money.
Okay. Are we getting ready to have to wait another 20 minutes for this move? I will, because I want to make the money, but man. Nothing like a range day. What you feeling, Beefy? What you feeling, bro?
Okay,
Are we
well, if
gonna be
I'm
range bound,
well, yeah, we're definitely just ranging right now. But what I was gonna say is I technically have another setup for a short, like right now that we're grabbing this liquidity. But the one thing that I don't like is we did just grab a lot of sell side, and then we immediately formed a perfect BPR, like a
Yeah.
bullish BPR to the upside. So like that's where I would be like, well, now if I was gonna take this trade, I wouldn't enter on the sweep, but I have to wait for confirmation, some kind of red candle engulfing or bearish or a bullish fair value gap getting disrespected or something.
okay. Well,
But as for right
hopefully-
now, I would, if like the upwards momentum makes me feel like, you know, it sweeping out the sell side and then immediately forming that bullish BPR, like it has some strength. So it's just a little bit of a late entry.
Yeah.
It was confirmed right here.
I think we're about to test the top of orb.
Hey, from your lips to God's ears, bro. We'll take it. If we got that much momentum going up, I'll definitely take it. But right now, I feel like a big move's coming, right? Because whenever we're trading like this in the range, like yesterday, we were in the range, we popped out barely, and then closer at 12 o'clock, the market went crazy. That's what I need today. That's why I've been waiting for it. This is helping us build our patience, gentlemen. We're building patience today. We did just have a small bull flag print on the 1 minute. But yeah, I want to see some solid moves.
If
I'm good, Honolulu. I'm good. What's that, BP?
I was gonna say, if the manipulation high actually still holds as a protected high, then it would be like it shouldn't come up to 669. So if it does keep going past that, then it's either just gonna keep chopping, or it might be looking to possibly switch, like he was looking for, maybe to retest top of orb or something.
Okay. Well, we're gonna see. We're slowly creeping. We're slowly creeping up. Like for me, I want to test the highs of this range. I want to get at least above the middle of the 15 minute. That's at 699.
After taking that sell side, that bullish BTR really delivered.
All right. Come on, Betsy. Coming up, we got less than 15 minutes now. Less than 15 for 12 o'clock. Are we going to get a move? Is it going to be a good one? Hopefully it's a fast one. I gotta do everything possible not to try to trade in this small range right now.
I'm in on this one.
Okay.
Just move my stop loss, taking profit at 460. See if I can get it up there to 975.
I'm like trying to close my eyes and not even look at it for a second here.
I'll be right back, guys.
You're good, BP. Ten more minutes for 12 o'clock. I'm hoping. From my lips to God's ears. Hopefully we get the move like we got yesterday. Because it was an aggressive move.
The market makers are watching, waiting for you to log off.
I wonder if I could act like I log off. See if I could trick the market makers. Use a VPN. No, if I'm still in front of these charts, they'll know I'm still here. There's pushing through the 21 EMA.
Wow, the market really wanted to drop a bunch, huh? Just because I left.
Yeah, as soon as you came back, I took the short. It popped it right up, BP.
Oh no. I'd give it about a small percentage chance that it's going to come retest this BPR. Just formed a bearish one. We're like 24 points away from the bullish BPR. So once we hit it, there might be a small reaction, but just kind of like watch how it tests. Because it might try to break through it, but reactions.
This is not a funded account. This is an eval. Just so y'all don't panic out there. Let's see if we get to push through here. Let's see. We are coming up on 12 o'clock as well. And that sounds like my landscaper too, Jesus. Of course they would show up right when I'm in a trade.
This is where we would hope the bearish BPR holds because it's now interacting with it.
But we're going to see. If not, I'm going to close out. Bulls keep stepping in. Grab that price. No, Bears just lost that fight right there. Let's see. We gotta push it here.
The top of that BPR is at 663.75.
Okay.
Now we're at 50%. Yeah, usually you'd want a stronger reaction from this point, so I want to see it do something like quicker because we've already mitigated the 50% at this point. So if it's not going to hold, then I just don't like that we keep getting green candles in here instead of a stronger reaction to the downside.
No, you
That's
and me
what I would
both.
want
You
to
and me
see.
both. I'm waiting.
Taking out that high now of the BPR. The candle closure would confirm it. Kind of pulling back a little bit. It ended in it, but
I closed.
it's probably
On the 5 minute, that's a big old bull flag on the 5.
Yeah, getting above that that manipulation the manipulation leg might have been like the change.
Yeah.
Might have been like switching to the bullish pullback. We'll know for sure if it just like starts expanding like crazy once we take this high. Otherwise, we're just still chopping.
Yep. No, that's a bull flag on the 5. I'm gonna let this breathe for a couple more seconds, or else I'll just lock it in. Unbelievable.
Probably still building up that flag.
I hate being in the process of building the flag. That's my issue. We need the Bulls to push a little bit harder than that right there. They caught it, but not trusting that catch. Yeah, babe. Yeah, I'm still on the stream. Once I'm off the stream, I'll get dressed. Like, no time frame, no time frame.
Boy, Duane, boy, I like your patience, though, boy. Ooh,
I'm trying.
Is this an eval?
Yeah, this is an eval.
Oh, okay, all right then.
Like, listen, this ain't no funded.
Should I bring a funded out? No?
Definitely not.
So then I made enough today because I made 650 on my eval. So
That's awesome, bro. Congrats.
Funded today, then I'm done for the day then. So what? Let me add that in.
Yeah, put in the discussion. So
I'm gonna put it. Yesterday was good for you, Dwayne. Only 500. Trying to be like you.
I'm trying to get like y'all. Y'all are winning every single day. I'm trying to just get like you boys. That's it.
I made six. Yeah, six. That 650 was made on my Lucid trade.
Okay, nice.
Well, yesterday, was it yesterday the day before? I ended up blowing it. I ended up blowing my the 50K, but I ended up getting the 100K.
Yeah, we're getting ready.
He got out. They said, "Fuck this."
Yeah, I'm done trading for the day. We're literally just chopping. And as soon as I get off, don't you worry, the market's gonna move. As soon as I get off this stream.
Out to get us.
Huh?
Said the markets are out to get us.
Thankfully this is an eval, so me with evals, I don't care. If it was a funded, I'll be hot. But evals, charge it to the game. You feel me? Charge it to the game, boys. Literally just been chopping this entire session for the most part, so. Yeah, I was still holding on this 1 minute when I saw this bear flag print. I'm like, I already know it's going to come down. When I saw the little 1 minute bear flag, I'm like, great. I'm in a long, and that's a bear flag. This is going to be amazing for me. Well, all right, fellas. Well, I'll be back tomorrow. Well, tonight, 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time, Traders Hangout. Make sure you guys tune in. We're going to have some fun. We're going to hang out. Talk about how choppy the market's being today in life and everything in between. So with that, legacy, nothing but love. Stay safe in these choppy markets. Don't do anything too crazy. And I'll catch y'all later tonight.
All right, Duane.
All right, boys.
All right, D, take it easy. You did good stepping away.
Oh, I got to, bro. I got to. I just blew this eval, so I'm annoyed.
We got it tomorrow.
Oh, listen, it's an eval. It's not funded, so we'll be back. I'll see you boys tonight.
Alrighty, take care, Duane.
All right, BP, stay safe. Dre, I'm getting off, bro. I just blew this eval. I put money in a funded, lost money in a funded. Just blew this eval. But jump on the Traders Hangout tonight, bro. And we'll talk. But I'll catch y'all later, tube. Be blessed.